Hi guys, it's Mai here and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can colour your slime by food colouring. So yeah, and I'm gonna colour this with markers. I know it's not white, it's like grey, but I think I'll just show you how you can colour it with markers. We'll try our best to make it the colour. So I made this one. It's like this reindeer slime or fudge slime. See, it's like the reindeer colour. It also looks like poop on the camera, but it doesn't. It looks like a reddish brown colour in real life. Yeah, and I coloured these two using markers. So you need your markers. So what colour shall I do? I think I'm going to pick 3 colours. Maybe blue. I'll use this highlighter for this one. Blue. I'll try my best to get a brown for chocolate. Like similar to this. And then maybe I haven't done red. Oh no, I should do green. Here, I'll do green. So I'll put this back in its container. Actually, I'll leave it out. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna do the blue first. So let's just move these here, and so it's already kind of blue. It looks more blue on camera, but it's actually grey. It looks grey on camera. It's like not blue at all. It actually has a tint. So what I do is just colour it in. Oh, and on my last video making unicorn slime, part 2, part 1 I couldn't upload. So if you can't find part 1 there, I didn't. So I just draw on it and then just mix it. And then this will hopefully turn blue. And it still works. And then it looks blue. I don't know why I'm not doing pink and nice colours. Well, blue is one of my favorite. Teal's my favourite colour, but blue's my second. Purple's my first. Teal is basically turquoise, the same, nearly. Just it's a bit more blue. And a bit more light. That looks really nice. That is really good. Okay, so this is actually a really nice color. Look at the difference. Sorry if you hear noise. I nearly say that in all my videos, but let me do one more. Oh my gosh. I need to squish it. Oh, and I'm gonna do making slime. I'm gonna do an Elf on the Shelf video too. Because I have 2 or 3 Elf on the Shelf. One of them's a baby, so basically 2. I'm getting more. I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 6. Wait. 7. Well, 6, but with the baby, so 7. Right, this is a pretty good blue, so I'm gonna leave it like this. I really like it. See the difference? There's a big difference. Now let's do brown, because it's not. Let's just do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna get my brown and just let's do this side. I love, and I got these markers from Lidl, and they come with 2 signs, one's thick and one's thin. They write the same. So let me do a thin line and let me do a thick line. Whoa. There's no difference when you write. I just pick colours so it can be easy to dye. Like all of them are easy to dye just with this like grey colour. I don't want to get pink or anything. And at the end I'm going to be mixing them all together. Or maybe. Good. And like if some people don't know, when you make unicorn slime or like mix blue, pink and purple together, I know why it always turns like purple. It's because like there's purple in it and then blue and red make purple. Like blue and pink make purple too. Yeah, that is a difference. But I want it more brown. Whoa, this is so stretchy. This is the stretchiest slime I've ever like seen and felt and made. Let's see the difference. I'm excited for the green because green is one of my favorite colors too. Like, well, my 4th favorite color is green. Well, my 5th is pink. My 1st is teal. My 2nd is blue. My 3rd is purple. My 4th is green. Then my 5th is pink. Whoa, this actually looks like poo. Well, actually, it's like doesn't looks like chocolate more. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it. It looks so like chocolatey. It doesn't look like poop at all. It might on camera, like. I think that's brown enough. Now for the ring. I'm going to put that here. So these are my 2 that I did so far. No, I'll put them right. Oh my gosh, don't me. I'll put them here. Now, and I was the most excited for the green. Oh my gosh, I've never like used this green before. Alright guys. So I'm trying to do it as quick as I can. But this green looks so good, almost turquoise. Like it, oh my gosh. Like, well, teal and turquoise, I don't mind. Like, they're basically the same.